What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name's Pat. I'm a full-time reseller, and this is my weekly What Sold video. So I had 61 transactions last week for just under $2,000. Got 10 items to share with you guys, so as we're going through them, I'll throw them up on the screen here. So first up is this Vance & Hines motorcycle exhaust. I actually took this in on consignment for a friend of mine, and it took about 3 days to sell, and it sold for $250 plus $91 shipping. So I actually took these next two items in on consignment as well. First up is this Pokemon Coliseum bonus disc for Nintendo GameCube. This sold within 2 days for $100 with free shipping. And what I like to do when I sell video games is definitely notate any and all imperfections in the disc, any scratches, and take pictures as best you can. In this case, I also took a picture of the home screen of the game, and if you can play any of the game for like a minute or two, definitely take a picture of that, because sometimes the screen will work up front, but it will skip later on. In this case, I couldn't because I don't have a Game Boy and the attachment cable to play it any further. And next is Pikmin 2 for Nintendo GameCube. This took 3 days to sell, and it sold for $64.95 free shipping. Next up are these Nike SB Zoom Stefan Janowski's. These were in really great shape. I paid about $5 for them. They took a little over 2 months to sell, and they sold for $61.20 plus $9.99 shipping. And next up, this is a great brand, Tory Burch. These are women ballet flats, size 7M. I've actually sold these once before, and then they were returned to me, and this time I took a best offer of $65 plus $7.99 shipping. This was a good find. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren t-shirt. It says Black Watch Polo Team on the front. Did have some staining on the bottom left side, but I only paid about $4 for it. Took about a month to sell, and it sold for $42.50 plus $4.95 shipping. And next up, I paid about $3 for this LL Bean Katadyn or Katadyn. I'm sure I'm not really saying that right. Ironworks full zip jacket. It sold it within 10 days for $34 plus $7.99 shipping, and I barely fit this in a padded flat rate envelope. Next up is another good brand. This is a Moss & Hoffman button front short sleeve shirt. Paid about $4 for it. Took a little over 3 months to sell, but it sold for $27 plus $4.95 shipping. Next up is a New Tags Jared Lang button front shirt. Had a really cool owl print all over. Paid about $3 for this from Goodwill. Took about 10 months to sell. You can tell by the older style of the photos. I think because I had it priced too high, but I ended up taking a best offer of $25 plus $4.95 shipping. Last up is this United States Department of Agriculture little metal ornament from 2003. I don't remember where I got this, but I paid $2 for it, and it sold for $24.99 with free shipping. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next week.